Let's take a look at how independent learning can be set, giving pupils access to the lesson content at home or as extra curriculum learning in school. Teachers or curriculum admin can set independent learning for pupils by clicking the Independent Learning section on the left-hand side menu. Once here, you'll have the chance to edit projects already live, or you can select New Independent Learning. Once you've given your project a name, you can begin to add the separate tasks, add the assigned pupils, and the due by date. You can then choose the lesson that best fits this learning and upload any extra documents or images you feel they may need. Teachers have found this tool useful to help pupils access the videos and lesson content at home through their pupil zone, taking the inspiring learning out of the classroom. Alternatively, this option is available under the My Classes section. Under Lessons, you'll be able to choose a lesson you've covered before and choose to set it as independent learning or even add it to your Google Classroom. We hope you have a better understanding of setting independent learning to your class. You can now take a look at some more of our useful content or select the next video to find out more about the pupil dashboard.